In this video, I'll show you how to stream movies on Peacock. Step 1. Open the Peacock app or website. Launch the Peacock app on your device or visit peacocktv.com. Log in with your account credentials to access the home screen. Step 2. Browse or search for movies. Use the search bar to find specific titles or explore the movies section. Browse curated categories like new releases or popular picks. Step 3. Select and play your movie. Click on the movie title to open its details page. Press the play button to start streaming instantly. Now I have some pro tips for better streaming. Use a stable internet connection for the best streaming quality. Check if your movie is available in HD or Ultra HD for enhanced visuals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.